If you want how to add the on balance volume trading indicator in MetaTrader mobile.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
To add this free trading indicator, make sure you're on chart. Go to hand screen and click the F icon. Go to top right hand screen and click the plus. Adding an indicator, scroll down. You see the third option or the third tab underneath volumes. Click on balance volume. See this free trading indicator, you can change the volumes to tick. You can even add or subtract a level of your choice. And if you want this to apply to all time frames, make sure just to select it in color blue. You can change the style, you can see by clicking a different line or color choice itself and click done. Now successfully added the on balance volume free trading indicator in MetaTrader mobile completely for free.